Got one on radar. No, no jamming. Can't lock him down.
Yeah, I think it's Mirage.
Got him locked down.
Find out soon.
That's up front, left, right.
Okay,
More
got one
targets
locked
for
up
me.
left. Have you gone for
Okay.
burner?
I'm burning up.
Okay, climbing. Activating ECM.
Lost luck for now. Okay, I'm coming down and stable at 6,000. More radar signatures popping up. A lot of. God, I've got 6 radars, 6 Mirages.
I don't know. Possibly.
I just got locked up.
I've been locked up.
Missile away.
Missile away. Popping flicks. Missile inbound.
Oh, right. Oh, Mirage.
Okay, I killed my one as well.
I got a hanger.
Got another one locked up. Okay, missile away. Oh,
One hit.
damn, we fired at the same one. I just wasted a missile.
Shit, sorry.
You might
Missile
want to pop
coming in.
flares because my IR missile was heading roughly your direction, I think.
There's a radar missile coming my way.
Okay. I got another one locked up at 7,200, passing left to right.
I'm out of missiles. I need to go for guns now.
Yeah, I got 273s left.
Yeah, those are good for the Mirages.
Missile away. He's popping flares. And he's up at altitude. Motherfucker!
You down?
No, my missile missed though. I still got a visual on him going in with guns. Hoping his buddy doesn't engage me and kill me. Hit him. He's not killed yet. Now he's dead. Fuck you, motherfucker. Oh, there's another aircraft off to on my tail, pulling around after him. Got you, motherfucker. You is mine, bitch. Fuck. Fuck, I lost
Yes!
visual.
Mirage gun kill.
Yeah, I got one of them, but I just lost visual on the guy I turned into. Oh, got visual again.
I got something locked up. Yeah, I got visual and locked up in Mirage.
Yeah,
I
I'm
think
on his
you-
tail, so watch out with the IRs.
I don't have IRs. I don't have missiles at all.
Okay, I'm closing him with guns.
Closing in from the other side. I will cut him in his upwards flight.
Never mind. Oh, we both engaged him. Oh, you just flew in front of me just after I did that as well.